And all the roads we have to walk are winding, and all the lights that lead us there are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. I said maybe you gotta be the one that saves me. In this video I want to show you part number 2 and number 3 of Wonderwall. We already know most of the chords, so don't worry, we will have a lot of fun in here if you already studied the first part of this video series, which you find in the video description below this video. So we start with and all the roads we have to walk are winding. This part. We still need our ring and pinky in the 3rd fret of B and E string. Nothing changes about that. That's a cool thing here. And now we play C major added 9. Fancy chord names here in this song, but it's actually pretty easy because everything stays the same with the ring and the pinky here. Middle finger goes into the 3rd fret of the A string and index finger in the 2nd fret of the D string. Don't play the low E string. And on the roads to the D sus4, E minor 7, E minor 7, to C added 9, to D sus4, and to E minor 7, 2 times. Again C added 9, to D sus4. Okay, so it's and all the roads we have to walk are winding, and all the lights that lead us there are blinding. Again C to D. So 2 runs of the chord progression, then we have C, D, and then we go to G. You also already know that one. Then D, but this time we play it added with 2nd fret E string with the index. Okay? And there are many things that I would like to say to you, E minor, but I D sus4, A 7 sus4. This is kind of like the bridge part leading to, or pre-chorus, however you want to call it, to the chorus. So it's there I see D sus4, to G, to D with F sharp and bass, to E minor, to back to D sus4, to A 7 sus4. Already know those chords, but just get the order done in your head. That's pretty intense stuff because so many chord changes in just one bar. With the strumming pattern, go with something you already learned in the first video. It's the same style, the same groove. So we have the whole thing, the whole pre-chorus. And all the lights that lead us there, E minor 7, C added 9, to D, to G, to D with F sharp and E minor, to D, and to A sus4. And then we go to the chorus. I play it through once and say the names of the chords, write them down if it's too much for your memory for now, and then do dry exercises so you really know where your fingers need to go. Especially the chord progression C, D, G, and then to D with the index finger in the 2nd fret, and then the E minor 7, D sus4, A 7 sus4. This can be quite challenging to really know where to put the fingers in that very fast chord progression. And on the roads we have to walk are winding. C added 9, to D sus4, to E minor 7. C's added 9, to D sus4, to G, to D F sharp, E minor 7, D sus4, A 7 sus4. One more bar, A 7 sus4. And now we come to the chorus, which has the chords C added 9, E minor 7 into G, E minor 7 and back to C added 9, E minor 7 to G, and E minor 7, C added 9, G, E minor 7 and to C added 9, E minor 7, G, E minor 3, 4, 1, 2, do la da da. Today was gonna be the day. And then we go back to the verse, which you find explained in the first video of the series. So the chorus just consists out of C added 9, E minor 7, G, E minor 7. That's it. That's the whole thing. Let's play it again. I said maybe you gotta be the one that saves me, and after all, C, E minor, G, you're my E minor, C, E minor, and we have a 2-bar break in the song when it has this funny little drum pickup and goes back into the verse. Yeah, that's it. That's Wonderwall. These are the chords, and most importantly, keep in mind the strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Practice it like this. Do just down, up, down, up, down, up, and count to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Apply an accent and the 1 on the 2 and the 4. 3, 4. Good rhythmical exercise there to get into that feeling of Wonderwall. It doesn't really matter which down and up strokes you actually hit there. Just you can hit all of them. That's Wonderwall by Oasis, and if you want to learn the first part of it, make sure to check out the first part of this video series to Wonderwall, which you find in the video description below this video. Make sure to check out my free lessons, which you will also find there. A good basis, a good course for you to start out if you've never held a pick or a guitar in your hands, or you started out after your guitar was lying on the attic for the last 10 years or so and you just got into it again. So welcome back. My name is Hannes, and thanks for tuning in. I hope you learned a lot here in this video. Take care and see you. Bye.